We started driving from our Sacramento, California house to our Lakehouse at 6 o'clock in the morning. Driving time is about 2.5 hours and hope to arrive at 8:30 in the morning.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess.
As soon as we arrived, we unloaded all our stuff and tools and started working. Our longtime handyman, Octavio, in no time started working as soon as we finished discussing our concept and project for the day.
I'm in a trance
We plan to construct concrete steps uphill for easy access.
of control. Don't know,
Later on, both sides will be landscaped.
but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy.
While Octavio was digging and layouting and doing the formworks, I started working on installing CCTV cameras, security lights, dusk to dawn LED lights and solar lights. I will also install 2 video monitors for the CCTV, one in our bedroom and one downstairs. Both are smart TVs, hence we can switch inputs anytime to watch the live views of the cameras or watch Netflix or YouTube videos as we wish.
I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes.
We decided to eat dinner at Robinson Rancheria Casino, a 10-minute drive from our house. Their food is okay, but the casino has bars and live music which we can enjoy.
You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands.
We had a good sleep for the night, and upon waking up the following morning, this is the view from our deck accessible from our bedroom. We have a wraparound deck with the panoramic views of the mountain, Mount Canocti and the Famar Clear Lake.
Yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me.
Anna Carr and I continued the day with cleaning and installing things like picture frames, closet hangers and racks, bathroom fixtures, and many other things. We decided to take our early dinner on our second night in the Lakehouse at the Boathouse, a bar and restaurant in the lake. It is just half a mile from our house. They have live music, and the band playing tonight is the Soul Circus Band. Some of the folks on the lake arrive and go from their lake houses using their boats. There is a floating dock in the restaurant. Some even During summer arrive in their seaplane, have lunch or dinner and leave and fly. Sometimes, crazy to see.
Losing my mind. Don't try to save me.
They say, Clear Lake is host to the biggest bass fishing tournament in the country.
Faster and faster, the tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. I'm in a trance, spinning out of control. Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head. Some days my feet has me frozen. I'm brave and I'm broken. My soul is wild.
This is all the accomplishments that we have this weekend. Okay, so we managed to install one monitor for the CCTV. So then all the dining tables are set up. This is the living room. Right. Our kitchen is good. Complete. We have the new refrigerator. So this is the bathroom, the like powder room. Solid. See, everything's good. Toilet paper. The toilet paper. Then there's a paper towel. Everything looks good. Okay. This is going upstairs, second floor. Okay.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save
Also,
me.
CCTV monitor.
I feel alive. My world is
Close
faster
it.
and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride.
Yeah. Close it.
Yes, I'm an
Complete.
emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional
We have completed the bathroom. This is the master's bathroom. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Also the paper towel. Everything looks good here. Here's another closet. Yep. Storage now. Temporary storage here. Yeah. That's like secret door outside. So entering the second room. Yeah, this is the second room. Yep. One. In extra bed and cabinet. Everything's good here. Yes. Second room. Yes. Control. Fan. Off. Fan off. Yeah. This is the remote control. Put it here. Everything works. See? This is the shower for the second bathroom. Towel. Everything good. See? Yes. Yeah. Towel. Going to family room. Extra room. Oh, yeah. Extra beds everywhere. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This one. This one. Yep. This one goes to the two.
You're the reason why I'm bothered, baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter.
Is the third row? Yeah. On here. All the beds are sort of cabinet, no? Cabinet ready. Yeah, aircon, remote control, lights, electric fan. So this leads to leads to the cabinet.
We will have another peaceful weekend stay in our Lakehouse tonight. Tired but happy and satisfied with our hard work and passion. Once the landscape and other surroundings will be planted with ornamental plants, the place will be wholesome to stay. The driveway uphill towards the carport will be widened and asphalted. Once earthworks and asphalt will be completed, we can park 6 cars inside the compound. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.